This week, alongside other poems, I shared 3 movements from the Sankofa Suite. Sankofa is a verb, what we mean when we say Pan-African, and why our connections matter. The Sankofa bird is often misunderstood as something steeped in nostalgia, as an idea that romanticizes the past. But in truth, the principle of Sankofa is about strategy. When I wrote these movements, I was thinking about how often we are told to move on, to forget, to be modern by being disconnected from our roots. But the philosophy behind Sankofa teaches something profound. It teaches us that looking back, unraveling our history is not weakness. It is how we gather what we need to surge forward. The first short movement, Sankofa is a verb, is about action, about choosing what to carry and what to discard. It asks, what do we pack for the future? And just as importantly, what do we leave behind? The second movement, what we mean when we say Pan-African, is about lived connections, not slogans, not borders, but shared memories, shared struggles, shared creativity. It insists that Pan-Africanism is not an idea frozen in the past. It is a moving body. And why our connections still matter positions the collection firmly in the present. It says plainly, the map still bleeds. The systems that shaped our fragmentation are still active, and so should our resistance be. These poems are part of a 12-movement series, a story told in stages. Please continue to join me on this journey as we share more movements from the Sankofa Suite alongside other poems that celebrate us. Thank you for watching, and thank you for what you do in your corner of the world to carry us along.